In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on Mailerlite. We'll start by opening Mailerlite and either logging in or creating a new account. If you're brand new to the platform, follow the sign up process and complete the initial setup. This usually includes confirming your email address and verifying your domain, which is an important step because it helps improve deliverability and makes your email marketing more trustworthy. Once you're inside, take a moment to get familiar with the dashboard. Mailerlite organizes everything into clear sections, including subscribers, campaigns, forms, automations, sites, integrations, and the file manager. Knowing where these areas are will make the rest of the setup much easier, especially if you plan to build and send campaigns regularly. Next, head over to the subscribers section and click Add Subscribers. This is where you can start building your audience. You can import contacts with a CSV or TXT file, copy and paste them from a spreadsheet, or add them manually one by one. Choose the option that best fits the way you already store your contacts. After that, go to Subscribers, then Groups, and create a group to organize your contacts. Groups help you keep your list structured, so instead of sending every email to everyone, you can target the right people. For example, you might create groups for a newsletter, new leads, or customers. Now move to the form section to create a sign-up form. This is the form people will use to subscribe to your email list. Customize the design so it matches your brand, and make sure to connect it to the correct subscriber group so new signups are stored in the right place automatically. When you're ready to send an email, go to Campaigns and click Create. Choose Regular Campaign, then decide whether to start from a template or build from scratch. If you're new to the platform, the drag and drop editor is the easiest place to begin. Design your email by adding text, images, buttons, links, and any other content you want to include. Adjust the layout and fonts until everything looks right, then click Done Editing. Next, choose your recipients by selecting the groups or segments that should receive the email. If needed, you can also exclude certain groups or segments to make your targeting more precise. Before sending, preview the email carefully, check how it looks on different screen sizes, test your links, and send yourself a test email. This quick review can help you catch formatting issues before your audience sees them. Once everything looks good, review the campaign details and choose whether to send it right away or schedule it for a later date and time. You can also create an automation by going to Automations and selecting Create Workflow. Choose a trigger such as when someone joins a group, add an email step, include a delay if you want follow-up messages, and activate the workflow when it's ready. Finally, check your results by reviewing your campaign reports. Pay attention to opens, clicks, and unsubscribes, and use that data to improve future emails.